Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to plant buffalo grasses by using the plugs. Actually I was planning to use seeds for this area. It's around 700 meters square, but I couldn't find the seeds in my country, and I realized that people are using the plugs or runners to plant these grasses. If you use runners, it will take a lot of time, like maybe 4 or 5 months to grow, and if you don't give too much water, they will be dead. In these plugs, I will show you roots are already be grown, and you will just put the plugs and keep watering. After around 2 months, all this area, I hope all this area will be buffalo, because I saw the people are doing this and I saw that it works. Now basically what I am doing is I'm putting around 20 centimeters between each plugs. Of course, before do this, I leveled the ground, I put some compost. I don't have a lot of compost, that's why I made the lines like this. If you have more, you can put compost everywhere before you plant, and then use your cylinder, I don't know if you can see, to make the ground harder, and it will be better. What we are gonna do is, when they start growing, we will give more fertilizer, maybe chemical ones, 2-3-2 or something like that. Now let me show you how am I planting. I'm using my stick, and I'm gonna make small hole for each plugs, like maybe 10 centimeters. I don't know if you can see, like that. Alright, let's do one more. Okay, and then let's take one of our plugs. It's not easy sometimes to take them out. Okay, as you can see, roots are ready to grow. Now before put the plug in, I'm just putting some compost. It will be softer like that, and then put the plugs in, make it tight like this. There mustn't be any air inside, because air makes it dry, and then it will be dead. Let's do one more. Take the plug out, just hold it nicely from the grass, otherwise we can kill it. And then put some compost in. You don't have to, like this, and then make it tight. Yeah, that's how we are planting the buffalo. I hope it will work, and this area will be all buffalo in after 2 months. We will keep watering, and then it will be ready to play soccer, cricket, rugby, whatever they want. Yeah, thanks everyone, bye.